Hello guys, welcome back to the return subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these Bluetooth X25 sports earphones. Now before I get into the unboxing and review of this sports headset, let me just tell you guys that when I unbox, I usually test it over 3 to 4 days. I allow the battery to die, and I just want to let you guys know it's against my values to mislead anyone. So with that being said, I will just crack on and get to the unboxing. So these earphones retail around £20. That's around, well, 26 in US dollars. Outside the box, everything is minimal and basic. Well, the box is anyway, with just the headphone sports wireless headset printed on the top. Looking inside the box, we have one detailed multi-language user manual, 2 pairs of silicone earbuds with wire clip included, 1 short micro USB charging cable, and lastly we have the Bluetooth earphones themselves. Let's just have a closer look at them and just take them out of the bag. Okay, so right away the inner sides of the earphones mimic the look of the Apple AirPods. On the outside though, to the rear of each earphone, we have a magnetic connector. So yes, you can simply drop these earphones right out of your ears and these should easily magnetize together, so you won't lose them. The cable is basic with a simple looking control unit. Nothing amazing stands out, but the buttons are indeed a good size. So let's have a good look at them now. We have a multifunction button to the middle which also acts as the power on, pairing mode button and answer and call button. We have a volume up and volume down button that also acts as the next track and previous track selection. We have an indicator light, to the side a micro USB charge port, and a microphone to the bottom of the unit. So at the moment we've got some earphones that look, well, pretty decent with some snazzy magnets. But how do they perform? Let's go ahead and sync them up and find out. Let's just first see if we got some power. Yep, we do. By the way, these earphones have a lithium-polymer battery and have Bluetooth 4.1 built in. Now also these X25s have multi-port pairing. For example, you can sync them to your laptop, tablet and phone all at the same time. You will however won't be able to obviously play music from all devices at the same time. You have to press pause, play or stop on either one of the devices before listening to audio from your chosen device. So now these earphones are synced to my laptop, let me just try these earphones in. Okay, so for example with the Apple AirPods, I've never had a problem with the fit. However, even though these earphones do stay in place, I can see them being a bit of a small fitting for some people. I don't think there's enough of a curve just here for them to sit comfortably within my ears. I would actually advise that you use the silicone earphone covers provided, just to help keep them secure. Now let's delve a little deeper and let's test the audio. Okay, so these X25 earphones ain't extremely loud. Bass isn't extremely heavy, but it's present. High tones do get topped out and get rather distorted at full volume, to the extent that the mids get overlaid by the high tones. Low tones are very clear though. There's just a missing, oomph. You just wait for that power. Come on. Sound is slightly better with the silicone earbud seals in place, keeping them cemented within my ears. That's one thing that's great. After 3 days using these earphones, they didn't drop out while using them, while moving around or during training. They was comfortable, and like I said, the only discomfort is the high tones while playing audio over a long period of time. They did give my ears that little whistle type feeling after taking them out. The bass frequency during deep bass content did have a noticeable buzz at times. They did have a low bass rating of 20Hz and a treble high of 14,900Hz, which in a scale between 20 to 20,000Hz, well, is just okay. In whole, I do like the look of these X25 earphones. The added magnetic connectors are a great idea, but I guess it comes down to, well, is that all you get with this set of earphones? I mean, I don't particularly like the audio, there's no real power, there's just a lot of high tones. I've reviewed a few better sounding earphones in the past and they cost a fraction of the price of these X25s. Okay, they might not be as secure as these earphones felt in my ears, but I do want good audio with a bigger kick. That being said, what would I give my overall rating for these X25 wireless earphones out of 10? Drum rolls please! Well, today I think I've got to give these X25 sports earphones a rating of 6 out of 10. I had to take everything into account with these earphones. They did do me some justice while working out, and the magnetic connectors really did come in handy. It's just a shame there wasn't enough power and more thumping bass. I will still leave a link for these earphones in the video description down below, along with other suggested previously reviewed earphones, which I highly suggest you go and check out and go get yours. And as usual, please share this video wherever possible, smash that like button, please subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads. I'll see you guys over on my next video coming soon, and well, thanks for watching. Peace!